Today's video is for those who had started their ready to wear brand before, and for some reason it failed, it did not work, they did not make sales. Today, I'm here to tell you that it is okay to start again. Hi, Pendralites. My name is Glory Pendra Akpan GPA. How are you doing? Welcome to today's video. Number 7, distribution strategy. Some people might not be very active on Instagram, but they have partners with boutiques across the country. Yes, they supply these boutiques with their clothes. They are selling, even though they might not be active on social media. Other people are very active on social media and also own a physical store. Some people have 2 stores in town and also actively sell via their social media. Some people have a physical store, active on social media, own a website, and still widely distribute their clothes to boutiques across the country. Sit down and plan your own. You must widely distribute your clothes to sell a lot of them. When plenty eyeballs see your clothes, your chances of selling are very high. It's my birthday month, and guys, for this month, a whooping 31 days, I'm going to be offering you guys a highly hugely discounted fee for my fashion business mentorship. Clap for me now, as I cannot cut cake for you guys. I can offer you my mentorship, my time, my services for almost nothing. All you have to do is make a commitment of 3,000 naira so that I am sure that you want this. Because if I was going to make it completely free, every Tom, Dick, and Harry and unserious fellow will be flooding into my WhatsApp, and I don't want that. So I want you to make a commitment of just 3,000 naira, and I will mentor you for 1 full month. Look at my screen right now. You will see when this offer will be over. That's all. Number 8, marketing campaign. Develop a good marketing plan that includes influencers, content creators, and advertising via billboards or on social media. The truth is, you have to have budget for this. You must spend money. The days of I cannot pay influencer are over, or the days of I will do everything by myself are over. It's time for you to start to pay for adverts. A lot of people grew their Instagram accounts through continuous advertisements month after month for 1 year before you could see them gather the 100,000 followers or 50,000 followers you see them have. You must be willing to spend money. When you make profits, set aside something from your profit for marketing. It is important in business growth. Number 9, launch an event. And when you do, make noise about your relaunch. It could be physically in your store where you host the relaunch party, or it could be virtually. You could pay blogs to help you publicize the event. People need to know that you are back in business and come back this time looking stronger, wiser, and a lot more dependable. Number 11, adapt and evolve. Now that you are back, be a lot more flexible. Keep your ears on the ground for real time feedback and make changes as swiftly as possible. Keep your ear down for market changes and adapt your strategy to go with these changes. Number 12, financial planning. Those of you that do not have an account for your business, let me talk to you people first. Go and open an account for that business. Separate your own money from your business money. Don't spend from your business money. Pay yourself a salary. I'm going to make a video here where I'll be teaching you how to pay yourself a salary. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section that this is the kind of content you want to watch, and I will go ahead to speedily create that video. Right now is on my list as one of my content ideas, but if you want to see that video as soon as possible, let me know and I will make the video. Keep your books. A lot of people do not keep books. Keep your books. Know what's coming in, know what's going out. Know when you have made a profit, and know when you have just merely broken even. All this information will guide you, because let me tell you, a business that is not profitable will soon be out of market. You will shut down again, and they'll say, this fashion brand, they are always opening and closing. They are on serious people, and when you relaunch again, who knows how seriously people will take you this time. Okay, so you have to have your financials at the tip of your finger. If somebody wakes you up from bed and say, how much did you make last week in profit? You should be able to answer. If you're not able to answer, then it means you are one of those who do not regard your financials very seriously, and that is wrong. Change. Number 13, staffing and organization. So many of you are sitting down to sew by yourself. Please tell me why. Why are you alone, you Amaka? You wake up in the morning and you alone will open shop and you alone will sit down and sew all by yourself. But you Amaka, this year, one of your New Year resolution was that you were going to become a global brand. Tell me how that will be possible. That will only be possible if you put together a good team. Hire skilled tailors, hire skilled craftsmen or artisans to work with you. Don't do it all by yourself. You need people to work with you. You need assistance. How will you rank in millions of dollars all by yourself? Who is deceiving you? Take a look at all the big fashion houses. Do you see the fashion business owner as the only one running that business? So who tells you that you are too small to put together a team? Put together a team. I'm not saying a whole lot of people. It could just be two tailors, one assistant, and you. But bear in mind that you as a business owner will have to carry your marketing on top of your head. You have to carry your bookkeeping on top of your head. You are the accountant. You are everything. But the truth is that you need a team to succeed in your fashion business. I'm here shooting this content right now because I have tailors who are doing the tailoring. Work is going on right now behind me. When you have a team, you delegate responsibilities to them and you can buy yourself time for other things that are very important to you and to your business. I know so many good tailors who I grew up to see who are currently not in business anymore. Why? Because they structured their business as a one-man business. They alone will go to market. Them alone will come back. Them alone will do almost everything all by themselves. Please, that is not a sustainable practice. That business will die. Sorry, the business is likely going to die because one person cannot do it all alone. Number 15, monitor and measure. You must be able to identify your key performance indicators and make sure you monitor them. How are they doing? Analyze them to track your performance and progress and make all the necessary data driven changes you need to make. Remember, relaunching requires dedication, creativity, and resilience. Take the lesson from your previous experience and apply them to create a stronger and more powerful fashion business. Dear Pendralites, you have what it takes. Yes, you will succeed in this fashion business. Just do all the right things as I've listed in this video and you'll be happy. There's a video right now on your screen, which I guarantee you will be very helpful if you watch it. Click on it right now and go and watch. Bye.